Hello there, friends. It's Danny here from Danny's Dreams, and I am so excited that you are here. It's Thursday, so that means it's time for Mail Day Thursday. If you are new to my channel, I started this in January of 2022 to help me remember to mail out more cards and to encourage those of you who are watching to mail out at least one card each week. We make these cards, and I've heard from so many crafters that they're just sitting in boxes and not really doing what they are meant to do, which is to spread cheer. So I'm hoping that this will help us all get into the routine of mailing out those cards and not just putting them in boxes. If you are also new to my channel, down in the description box below, I have a link to a Google form, and I would love for you to fill it out so that I could send you a card. I have sent out all the cards to everyone who has signed up, so I would love to make some new crafty friends to mail out some cards to. So just take a quick minute, click the link, fill it out, and I can get a card on the way to you. So let's get to what cards I am mailing out this week. I have this really pretty sparkly butterfly fairy, and I can't remember what type of card this is, but I like how it's short, still fits into a regular envelope, and it's just super fun. Next, I have kind of a moth fairy one. It says thinking of you, has some rhinestones. It's kind of shimmery. I don't know if we can see that. This is this is a digi that was by Some Odd Girl. I know Whimsy Stamps is selling their images now, so she might be available there. I'm not sure. Next, I have one that was from Saturated Canary. It is no longer a business, but the artist, Krista Smith, has an Etsy shop, which I love her images, and I have a ton of them. I need to get them out and color some of them up because they are just so fun to color. She has glossy accents on her glasses, and she's looking. And inside I have, between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. So that would be fun to give to your book-loving friends, or if you love to read, you can keep it for yourself if I mail it to you. Next, I have this little fairy and her dragon friend. I just love her big head and her big eyes, and the little dragon just looks so proud of himself. Very, very sparkly and just simple on the inside. So she's a cutie. And then I was looking at this one. I made it in 2016. That is a long time to have that in my stash. It is time to find a home. So this is I believe this one was made for stamping Bella from Tiddly Inks, or Christy Kroll. Snail mail, super adorable, very sparkly. I guess I chose sparkly cards today for the most part. And there's the inside. Next up, I did receive a couple cards this week. First, I received this pretty card from my friend Teresa. She was doing a de-stash, and I purchased some mermaid stamps, and so she sent this along with it. And I love that paper. It's just so pretty, and the yellow just makes me smile. Next up, I also received this galentine from Diane, my friend, and it just, I don't know, I really like this card. The colors and the little coffee cups and just the paper, it's like foiled, so it's all sparkly, and a neat way to use circles. I need to remember that. Just a lot of fun. And that's all I have to share today. Again, I will be sending these out. I would love for you to fill out my form so I could send some cards to you. Since I have sent to everyone, I'm going to dig into my address book and surprise some friends and family with cards. But I'm hopeful, crossing my fingers, that more crafters will take the time to fill out my form. And I'm rambling. I am so sorry. I hope that you have an amazing day. Don't forget, dig into those boxes of cards, pull one out, fill it out, stick it in the mail. Challenge you, send out one card today. Until my next video, have a great day. Bye.